Hey, this is Brent with NAFCO. Set up here tonight at my house. Wanted to show you this Prism light that we have here. It's approximately 8:45 in the evening, so I got my neighbor helping me out. As you see here, we got an area lit up pretty good. I'll back up out of the way and let him kind of show you around. It's about approximately 40-45 yards to my barn. As you see, I got the front doors open, and I believe with that shot, you're going to be able to see all the way to the back of my barn. And as you can see, this whole area around here. See, pans around to your left, I got a telephone pole right here, and at the top of that, I've even got a transformer, so you can see that pretty good. But this Prism light, again, this is a 1000 model series. This light is 95,000 lumens. It lights up an area 17,600 and so many square feet. One of the most amazing things about this light is it draws 10 amps. Absolutely amazing that that's all this light draws. As you see, it's extended. The balloon section part of it here is extended 15 feet. Light does a great job. Very lightweight, not a whole lot to it. It comes in a blue bag. Remove the bag. Once you do, as we step around the corner right here, I'll show you how we're holding it up. This is 6 sections of the stainless little pieces of tubing here that connect together. Clip at the top. Once you get it put together, you set it down in the base. This light has got a lot of great applications. In industry, you've got a shutdown going on, you need some lights. Maybe in industry you lose power. Right here, Prism has the lights in stock, several different models and versions. They also sell the version of this that has a Honda generator as the power unit for it, so you can take that light out anywhere. Again, as you see, it's dark other than what we've got lit up here. And again, we've got this whole area in my driveway lit up. I just want to say thank you so much for considering NAFCO. We appreciate everything that you guys do. We're here to help you going on in the world. That is what NAFCO is. We are, we supply those items for you. We're here for you. We're as close as a phone call. So just get in touch with us. Before I go, I'm going to now show you what it would be like if we didn't have any lights that we got showing here for you tonight. When we do this, we'll be done. So again, thank you very much.